butt.
What are you doing? You're so chilly.
They got some pupper.
A pupper. A pupper.
A pup. Hey, rainbows! So, you explained what today's video is, you guys.
So we're just at the park, and we were with Pixie and Shadow.
Yep.
And we're gonna be doing some fun park activities.
As in,
Swinging.
Ziplining.
Life.
and much more. Stay tuned.
He got the haircut.
Got the haircut?
I got the haircut.
Yeah. Oh, look at his legs. He's like, bam. Yeah. He's Shadow, you're a wimp. Look at her butt.
Look at her
butt. Zoom up.
She's like sitting on the thing. Like, what are you, a human?
She's a he. He's a she.
Look at how big this is for her.
Shadow, look here. I think Pixie wants to play.
And Shadow's just too scared.
Hello.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey,
it's okay.
Pixie?
It's okay. Yes, I know Shadow's butt looks attractive, but you got Shadow. Oh, you can get me and then he gets all scared.
You having fun?
Picture எடுக்கலாம். Hi Shadow.
If you don't want to do it.
You go, girl.
Don't do it the way Shadow's looking. She freaks out.
Shadow's a he. She's a boy.
You love me. No.
Oh my god.
Pixie. She's going home because Pixie fell down from the swing.
Oh, wow. This is fun. Oh, I was not expecting that.
Shadow's like, what the heck? What the heck, buddy?
So fun.
What the heck?
You see me rolling. They hate.
I'm gonna be taking the vlogs and cuddling with Shadow. Cuddles with Shadow. Aww. Aw, so cute. Shadow. Shadow, stay with me. Okay, let's, is this recording? Yes. How do you flip the camera? I don't know. Sorry, I'm not the person who usually takes videos, but, look who's swinging. Two of the rainbows going over the rainbow. Rainbow. These faces are so priceless.
That was a weak start.
That was crap. Just like my face.
Shadow's just watching them swing. Watching you swing. Shadow's judging you from here. Shadow, you're so cute.
Hogging.
I'm hogging. Hogwarts? I forgot.
She's secretly vlogging behind us. I wonder what she's
Let's
saying.
run away. Let's run away. Come on. Come on, Shadow. Shadow, come on. Shadow, come on. We're running. We're making an escape. We're making an escape. They're there. Shadow, you love me more, don't you? Yeah, let's run away and get married. You're the only person I want to be with. Come on. Come on. I think Shadow's in love with me. Shadow, love me. Love me, boy. Come on. Running away. I know, let's make this vlog all about you. Because you're more interesting than the others. They hiding. Shadow's like, what the hell? You're the one? I am dizzy. We're gonna throw up, Mira.
Okay, Trisha! Hold the camera.
How are we supposed to pass it? Coordinate.
Oh my god. Are you kidding?
Coordinate, Trini.
Oh my god. Are you kidding?
Okay, let's cut her out and just make this about Shadow.
Oh.
You're not
Is
in
it going to
this.
be that way?
Yep. Yep.
You think you're the wife?
What is happening with Trisha? Please don't. But
My life is
potato.
What are you looking at?
Yeah, Trisha, hold on. Literally, though, my life is potato. That butt, though. Oh, video of these, picture of these cameras. I'll take a video because we're so much cooler.
Making my way downtown. Faces. Oh my god, butterfly. You look at my butterflies. You look at my butterflies.
Boofa fries. My life is potato. Potato.
You know what's sad? This is a Pixie vlog and Pixie's not even here. That's my mother! That's my mother right there!
Oh, are we all leaving? Oh yeah, that is my mother.